Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. I am Muhammad Yasin. This is virtual class of Pakistan International School Taif. This class is for the students of grade 9. We are going to do grammar exercises given at page 114. We shall complete it up to 120. This is 31st video in this class. In our today's lesson, we shall learn to write application to the principal for sick leave, and we shall do grammar exercises from page 116 to 120. This is the application for sick leave. It is to the principal. You are very much familiar with the layout. First of all, we write to the principal, Pakistan International School Taif. Sir, I had a sudden attack of nausea. Nausea is the sickness in which you feel that you want to vomit. The patient want to vomit. Vomit. After eating a burger with Coca-Cola last evening, the doctor has diagnosed it as a case of food poisoning. I could not sleep the whole night. There has been a lot of vomiting and I feel very sick. Kindly grant me leave for 4 days with effect from 2nd to 5th December. You will write here the exact date. Thank you. Yours obediently. Here will be your name, your roll number, your class, and the date when you are writing the application. Dear students, before starting the exercise that is given at page 116, I would like you to develop some understanding of the sentences given in a specific tense. The tense is past perfect. Some of the sentences will be in interrogative form, some will be in negative form. When translating negative sentence, not is added just after had. When you want to change a past perfect tense into negative, you will add not after had. In case of question, however, had is placed before the subject while question word is used before. Had, as you will see here. शाम से पहले मुसाफिर घर नहीं लौटा था. This is a negative sentence of past perfect tense, and we have learned here we shall add not after had. The traveler had not returned home before evening. शिकारी जाल बिछाने से पहले नहीं छुपा था. The hunter had not hidden himself before setting the net. Dear students, I think you have got some understanding. अप्रैल से पहले ईंटें नहीं पकाई गई थीं. Bricks had not been fired before April. You will read all these sentences in detail. There are about 24 sentences. After reading them, you will be able to do this exercise. Let us start it. क्या रेफरी के आने से पहले मैच खेला जा चुका था? Had the match been played before the referee came? मेहमान के जाने के बाद मिठाई नहीं लाई गई थी. The sweet had not been brought after the guest went away. हमारी मुलाकात से पहले वजीर से किसी को मिलने की इजाज़त नहीं दी गई थी. Nobody had been allowed to meet the minister before our meeting. उसे पहले ही जुर्माना नहीं किया जा चुका था. He had not been already fined. गिरने से पहले दरख्त काटे जा चुके थे. The trees had been cut before they fell. नया जूता पहनने से पहले उसका पांव जख्मी नहीं हुआ था. His foot had not been injured before putting on the new shoe. क्या पुलिस के गिरफ्तार करने के बाद मुलजिम मजिस्ट्रेट के सामने लाया गया था? Had the accused. There is difference between mulzim and mujram. Mulzim is accused, mujrim is criminal. Mulzim is against whom nothing is proved. But mujrim is who is proved to be guilty. He has done something wrong and it is proved, then he is called mujrim, criminal. But mulzim is accused against whom nothing is proved. Had the accused been brought in front of the magistrate before the police arrested. Had the accused been brought before magistrate after police arrested him. क्या मेरे आने से पहले खेत हमवार किया गया था? हमवार करना is given in number 2. To level. To level. Had the field been leveled before I came. बारिश आने से पहले डेले तोड़े जा चुके थे. डेले lumps. Had the lumps been before, had the lumps been broken before it rained. क्या तमाम चीजों को पहले ही झाड़ दिया गया था? Had all the things been dusted. झाड़ना is given in number 4. To dust. नतीजे निकलने के बाद उसको अगली जमात में तरक्की क्यों दी गई थी? तरक्की देना is given in number 5. To promote. Why had he been promoted to next class? After the result declared. क्या जंग ख़त्म होने तक कई अफसरों को एजाज़ दिए जा चुके थे? एजाज़ देना is given in number 6. To honor. To honor. Had many officers been awarded honors till the war ended. Till the war ended. क्या 1930 तक टीवी इजाद हो चुका था? इजाद होना नंबर 7. To invent. To invent. Had TV been invented till 1930. घड़ी को 12 बजे से पहले चाबी क्यों नहीं दी गई थी? घड़ी को चाबी देना to wind. Why the watch? Why had the watch not been winded before 12 o'clock? क्या वक्त से पहले तुम्हें तंबीह नहीं की गई थी? तंबीह करना. To warn. तंबीह करना. To warn. Had you not been warned before time? क्या इससे पहले आपको धोखा दिया गया था? Had you been deceived before this? Had you been cheated before this will also be correct. Dear students, we have done 16 parts of this exercise. Now we shall do the remaining parts. क्या दिसंबर से पहले बंदरों को जंगल में भगा दिया गया था? Had the monkeys been driven to the forest before December? भगाना. To drive. क्या मंगल से पहले चांद नहीं देखा गया था? Had the moon not been seen before Tuesday? क्या आंधी आने से पहले दुकानें बंद कर दी गई थीं? Had the shops been closed before the windstorm blew? लोगों के एहतजाज से पहले अफसर को क्यों रिटायर कर दिया गया था? एहतजाज करना, प्रोटेस्ट. Why the officer had been retired before the protest of the people? शाम से पहले चिराग क्यों जलाए गए थे? Why had the lamps been lighted before the evening? ईद आने से पहले मुलाजमों को तनख्वाह क्यों नहीं दी गई थी? Why the servants had not been paid before the Eid? Dear students, if you look at this sentence, this is the past perfect tense and it is negative and interrogative at the same time. This is negative and interrogative also. क्या फकीरों को आने से पहले खैरात तकसीम हो चुकी थी? खैरात, alms. Had the alms been given away before the beggars came? अंधेरा होने से पहले चोर का ताक़ब क्यों नहीं किया गया था? ताक़ब करना, to chase. To chase. Why had the thief not been chased before it got dark? क्या गाड़ी गुजरने से पहले पुल को आजमाया जा चुका था? आजमाना, try. Had the bridge been tried before the train ran? फूल मुरझाने से पहले कहाँ फेंक दिए गए थे? मुरझाना, wither. It is given in your vocabulary on next page. Had the flowers been thrown before they withered? क्या 8 बजे से पहले किराया अदा कर दिया गया था? Had the rent been paid before 8 o'clock? क्या इससे पहले चिड़ियाघर में इतना बड़ा शेर देखा गया था? Had such a big lion been seen in the zoo before this? क्या मेरे घर पहुंचने से पहले गोश्त को भून लिया गया था? गोश्त, मीट, भूनना, रोस्ट. Had the meat been roasted before I reached home? क्या मालिक के आने से पहले मकान मुरम्मत कर दिया गया था? Had the house been repaired before the owner arrived? Yes, students, before starting the next exercise, we shall try to develop some understanding about the exercise. That exercise will be given in future indefinite tense. There will be future indefinite tense and affirmative sentences will be there. Affirmative means not question, not negative. They will be given in active voice just like these sentences. वो मुझे मिलने आएगा. He will come to see me. This is future indefinite tense. This is affirmative sentence and it is given in active voice. वो हर रोज सबक सुनाएगा. He will tell the lesson daily. Dear students, I would like you read all these sentences which are given before the next exercise. Now we shall start this exercise. मुसाफिर सुबह सामान बांध लेंगे. The passengers will pack their goods in the morning. वो अपने दुश्मन को माफ कर देंगे. माफ करना, forgive. They will forgive their enemy. मैं आज जलसे में तकरीर करूंगा। आई शैल मेक अ स्पीच इन द मीटिंग। हवाई जहाज 4 बजे अड्डे पर उतरेगा। अड्डे पर उतरना, लैंड। द एरोप्लेन विल लैंड ऑन द एयरपोर्ट एट 4 o'clock। हम कराची जाने वाली गाड़ी पर सवार होंगे। गाड़ी, कराची बाउंड टू कराची। वी शैल बोर्ड द ट्रेन बाउंड फॉर कराची। नानी अम्मा हमें दिलचस्प कहानी सुनाएंगी। Maternal grandmother will tell us an interesting story. Will tell us an interesting story. वो आपकी मदद का शुक्रिया अदा करेंगे। They will thank you for your help. हवाई जहाज 10 बजे परवाज कर जाएगा। परवाज करना is given in number 6. Take off. The aeroplane will take off at 10 o'clock. मैं हर खतरे का सामना करूंगा। I shall face each danger. Number 7, खतरा, danger. वो अगले साल ये किताब शाया करेंगे। They will publish this book next year. शाया करना, to publish. बच्चे झूलों से लुत्फ अंदोज होंगे। The children will enjoy the swings. झूले, swings. हमीद मकान किराए पर लेगा। हमीद will hire a house on rent. It is given here. तुम बैंक से कर्जा लोगे। You will take loan from bank. वो अच्छे बुरे दिनों में हमारा साथ देंगे। They will stand by us through thick and thin. अच्छे बुरे, थिक एंड थिन। आपका बेटा मेरे साथ सफर करेगा। योर सन विल ट्रेवल विद मी। लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज दैट इज गिवन एट द सेम पेज। हम तुम्हारा इंतजार करेंगे। वी शैल वेट फॉर यू। सिर्फ चंद लड़के इम्तहान देंगे। Only a few boys will take examination. हमारी बहादुर फौज दुश्मन के किले पर कब्जा कर लेगी। Our brave army will capture the enemy fort. ये टीम मैच हार जाएगी। This team will lose the match. अमीर गरीबों की मदद करेगा। The rich will help the poor. उस्ताद अपने शागिर्दों की रहनुमाई करेंगे। The teachers will guide their students. रहनुमाई करना, guide. तुम्हारी सहेली तुम्हारे लिए परेशान होगी। Your friend will worry for you. परेशान होना, worry. नौकर बाजार से ताज़ा अंडे खरीदेगा। The servant will buy fresh eggs from the market. मेरा भाई मुझे तोहफे देगा। My brother will give me gifts. लड़कियां स्वेटर बुनेंगी। The girls will knit sweaters. बुनना, to knit. उसका बाप इसके लिए नया मोटरसाइकिल खरीदेगा। His father will buy a new motorcycle for him. चीन हमेशा पाकिस्तान का साथ देगा। China will always stand by Pakistan. हम पाकिस्तान से मोहब्बत करेंगे। We shall love Pakistan. वो वतन का वफादार साबित होगा। he will prove himself to be loyal with the country. हर पाकिस्तानी पाकिस्तान के लिए जान कुर्बान करेगा. Each Pakistani will sacrifice his life for Pakistan. Will lay down his life for Pakistan is okay also. Yes, students, we are doing translation in future tense. These are some sentences given before the coming exercise. We are guided that in the case of negative sentence, not is used before will or shall and the first form of the verb is used. For example, कुछ तलबा बाकायदा काम नहीं करेंगे. Some students will not do their work regularly. Clerk वक्त पर दफ्तर नहीं आएगा. The clerk will not come to office in time. Dear students, more sentences are given. I would like you read all of them to develop better understanding of the coming exercise. Let us move forward. This is the exercise given at page number 119. It is given Pakistan cement दरामद नहीं करेगा. Pakistan will not import cement. हमारी फौज शहरों को तबाह नहीं करेगी. Number 2 is दुश्मन जंग नहीं जीतेगा. The enemy will not win the battle. Number 3, हमारी फौज शहरों को तबाह नहीं करेगी. Our army will not destroy the cities. आज आंधी नहीं आएगी. It will not blow a gale today. कोई सियासी जमात जुलूस नहीं निकालेगी. No political party will take out procession. मैं आपको मदद देने से इनकार नहीं करूंगा. I shall not refuse to help you. इनकार करना, to refuse. वो फिर कभी ऐसा नहीं करेगा. He will not do it again. तेज गाम आज देर से नहीं आएगी. Tezgam is the name of a train. The Tezgam will not come late today. वो मेरा हुक्म नहीं मानेगा. हुक्म मानना, to obey. He will not obey me. Headmaster शरारती लड़के को सजा देगा. शरारती, naughty. The headmaster will punish the naughty boy. तुम अपने बेटे को नसीहत नहीं करोगे. You will not advise your son. मैं नकम्मे बहाने नहीं बनाऊंगा. नकम्मे बहाने, lame excuses. I shall not make lame excuses. हम गंदा खेल नहीं खेलेंगे. Foul, dirty. We shall not play foul game. We shall not play foul game. वो मेरे साथ इत्तेफाक नहीं करेगा. To agree with. He will not agree with me. आप हवाई जहाज से सफर नहीं करेंगे. You will not travel by aeroplane. You will not travel by air is okay also. It is given here by air. Yes, students, we have done this exercise that is given at page number 119. To do exercise given at page 120, we shall try to develop some understanding of that exercise about the tense and sentence structure of that exercise. We begin interrogative sentence or questions with will or shall or some question word followed by will or shall. What is given here? तुम्हारे लिए खतरे का सामना कौन करेगा? Who will face the danger for you? You can see will is taken out before the subject and question word is given here also. क्या लोग पागल कुत्ते के पीछे भागेंगे? Will the people run after the mad dog? No need is there to write here question word, but will be written before the subject. क्या तुम अपने दोस्त को पहचान लोगे? Will you recognize your friend? वो हमें अपनी बंदूक देने से क्यों इनकार कर देंगे? Why will they refuse to give us their gun? क्या लड़के ये वाकया याद रखेंगे? Will the boys remember this incident? वजीर इस्तीफा नहीं देगा. The minister will not resign. पुलिस छापा क्यों मारेगी? Why will the police raid? क्या ये गूंगा बातें सुनेगा? गूंगा dumb D-U-M-B. Will this dumb hear the talk? दरवाजा कौन खटखटाएगा? Who will knock at the door? तुम फुटबॉल को ठोकर क्यों लगाओगे? ठोकर लगाना kick. Why will you kick the football? लड़कियां स्वेटर कब बुनेंगी? When will the girls knit the sweater? क्या वो पुलिस को चोरी की इतला देंगे? Will they inform the police of theft? शिकारी हिरन का शिकार कहाँ खेलेगा? Where will the hunter hunt deer? क्या उसको वालिद की जायदाद विरसा में नहीं मिलेगी? विरसा में मिलना to inherit. Will he not inherit the property of his father? तुम रिक्शा किराए पर क्यों नहीं लोगे? Why will you not hire rickshaw? किराए पर लेना hire H-I-R-E. लोग ईद की नमाज कहाँ पढ़ेंगे? नमाज पढ़ना offer. Where will the people offer their Eid prayer? पाकिस्तान कौन सी अशिया दरामद करेगा? दरामद करना to import. What goods will Pakistan import? Dear students, this was the exercise given at page 120. In your homework, you will learn and write the application to the principal for sick leave. And you will do grammar exercises in your notebook which are done today. Dear students, that is all from our today's lesson. See you later in a new lesson. Goodbye.